Welcome back, friends. Today we will be making the only marinade you would ever need. The ingredients, the measurements, all of those things will be included in the description, and I've included a screenshot as well of the items that you will need if you absolutely have to go buy anything. These items are available at Walmart. I've even included a price list, but most of these things you should have already. If you don't have them, don't worry about it. You can make this your own. You can add what you want. You can take away what you want. But this is the one that I love. This is what I love to put in mine. So, like I said, you can make this your own. If you want to make it vegan, you can take out the bouillon cube, maybe add a veggie cube. You don't even have to add that. So what I like to do is to put all my bulky ingredients in first. That would be my green onions, my celery, my green peppers, but I like to break them up. I'm not cutting anything. We're gonna break it up. We're gonna put it inside. We're gonna start with the bulky items, but then we're gonna go in. We're gonna put our ginger, our garlic, all those ingredients in afterwards. And I'll just push everything in. So the cilantro is the base, and you just push it all in, and then you're gonna put your allspice, your oil. Your oil is what's gonna help it to blend. I do not put any water in this marinade because I like it to be thick, and I find that the oil preserves it and helps it to cook down when you put it in different food items. The allspice that I've included on the price list is the whole allspice. That's what I prefer to use. I just didn't have any, but if you have it, please feel free to use it. You're gonna blend it out anyway. The Scotch bonnet sauce is a pepper sauce. If you can find the Scotch bonnet or maybe a habanero or whatever, you can use that. But this is what I had. This is what I chose to use. Remember, the whole point of my channel is to save you money. So if you have other ingredients, put them in there. If you don't have something, don't use it. But you're gonna blend this on high for a few minutes. You're gonna find that you're gonna have to open it up in about a minute or two and push down everything, because remember, we have really bulky items in there. You're gonna have to scrape down the sides, and then you're gonna close it back, and you're gonna blend it. Now, how thick or how thin you want this is based on you and your preference. I like to have chunks in mine, so when I make my rices, it's all delicious and I can see everything. And I like to store this in a glass container in the refrigerator, but I also like to keep half of it in the freezer in Ziploc bags in individual serving sizes. This lasts me about a month. It can last you even longer. Like I said, it's about $11, and that's if you have nothing on hand. This really shouldn't cost you more than $5 to make. And look how delicious it looks. Can you imagine when it is in your meals? Oh my God. Listen, you gotta make this. And stay tuned to my next videos, and I'm gonna show you how to whip up some delicious meals with this sauce. Oh my gosh, listen. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.